India, a land of vibrant colors, ancient wisdom, and profound spirituality. At the heart of this spiritual landscape lies the Kumbh Mela. Imagine millions of pilgrims, their faces alight with devotion. The Kumbh Mela is a celebration of faith. It is an experience that will stay with you long after the last echoes of chanting have faded. The Kumbh Mela is deeply intertwined with Hindu mythology and cosmology. The festival is believed to commemorate the legend of the churning of the ocean of milk, a cosmic event where gods and demons competed for the nectar of immortality, Amrit. During the struggle, drops of this elixir fell to earth at 4 locations, the present-day sites of the Kumbh Mela. The Kumbh Mela is celebrated when the planet Jupiter enters Aquarius, and the Sun enters Aries, a celestial alignment believed to enhance the spiritual potency of the sacred rivers. Millions of pilgrims bathe in these rivers during the Kumbh, seeking purification and liberation from the cycle of birth and death. This act of faith is a testament to the enduring belief in the interconnectedness of the cosmos and human life. The Kumbh Mela is a celebration of faith that transcends religious boundaries. It is a reminder that despite our differences, we are all united by our shared humanity and our search for meaning and purpose in the vastness of existence. The Kumbh Mela is not merely a religious event, it is a cultural phenomenon that offers a glimpse into the soul of India. At the heart of the Kumbh Mela are the Shahi Snans, or royal baths. These processions of Naga sadhus, ascetics who have renounced worldly possessions, are a sight to behold. Often naked or clad in saffron robes, their bodies smeared with ash, they march towards the river with an air of both fierce determination and serene detachment. The Kumbh Mela is a feast for the senses. The air is thick with the scent of incense, the chanting of mantras, and the rhythmic beating of drums. The vibrant colors of the pilgrims' clothing, the intricate designs of the temples, and the sheer scale of the gathering create a spectacle that is both overwhelming and awe-inspiring. Beyond the spectacle, there are countless opportunities to delve deeper into the spiritual heart of the Kumbh. Attend a satsang, a spiritual discourse by a revered guru, or listen to the chanting of ancient scriptures. Witness the Hawan, a sacred fire ceremony, and feel the energy of the flames as they rise towards the heavens. Engage in conversations with pilgrims and sadhus, and hear their stories of faith, devotion, and the search for enlightenment. Section 4. Echoes of the Past, the Legend of the Kumbh. The origins of the Kumbh Mela are shrouded in mythology and legend. According to Hindu scriptures, the Kumbh Mela commemorates the Samudra Manthan, the churning of the ocean of milk by the gods and demons. This cosmic struggle lasted for 12 divine years, during which 14 precious objects emerged from the ocean. One of these objects was the Kumbh, a pot containing the nectar of immortality. As the gods and demons fought over the Kumbh, drops of the nectar are said to have fallen at 4 locations: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Ujjain, and Nashik. These 4 cities became sacred sites, and the Kumbh Mela is celebrated at each location in a 12-year cycle, with the MAHAKUMBH, the grandest of all Kumbh Melas, taking place in Prayagraj every 144 years. The Kumbh Mela is a testament to the enduring power of faith and tradition. For centuries, millions of pilgrims have journeyed to these sacred sites, seeking spiritual renewal and liberation. The Kumbh Mela is a reminder that some traditions transcend time, connecting us to the wisdom and beliefs of our ancestors. Section 5. The Kumbh Experience, a tapestry of sights and sounds. Attending the Kumbh Mela is an experience unlike any other. It is a journey that will challenge your perceptions, broaden your horizons, and leave an indelible mark on your soul. The sheer scale of the gathering, the vibrant colors, the intoxicating scents, and the cacophony of sounds create a sensory overload that is both overwhelming and exhilarating. Beyond the spectacle, the Kumbh Mela is a place of profound spirituality. Witness the unwavering faith of the pilgrims, the serenity of the sadhus, and the palpable energy of devotion that permeates the atmosphere. Engage in conversations, ask questions, and open your heart to the transformative power of this ancient pilgrimage. The Kumbh Mela is not for the faint of heart. It is a journey that requires an open mind, a sense of adventure, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. But for those who dare to take the plunge, the rewards are immeasurable. The Kumbh Mela is a chance to step outside of your comfort zone, connect with something larger than yourself, and discover the transformative power of faith.